Today I will show you how to integrate WordPress website with Google Tag Manager. But why you integrate Google Tag Manager in your website? The some reason you integrate Google Tag Manager in your website. Four reason. I am writing the four reason why you integrate the Google Tag Manager on your website. First reason, GTM allows you to consolidate all your website tag on place, making it easy to manage and update them without needing to access your website code. Implement the website and enhance tracking capability, easy integration with other tools. This is for reason why you integrate GTM on your website. Now I will show how to create a Google Tag Manager account. Click here create a account. Now create a account name. That's mean your company name. Example, I create a hand LCC company. Then you select your country. My country is Canada, and you want to share your data in others platform. That means Google. Now write here your container name. Example, I text my website name. And you want to track your website iOS, Android, AMP server, but I need a website tracking. You can also track iOS, Android, AMP server. Create here and also read in this page and click on this icon and create it and click yes. Now my Google Tag Manager account created already has been successfully, and this code integration your WordPress website. Now I may easy to you integrate this code on your WordPress website. Please copy this code and go to your WordPress dashboard and click in plugin and add a new plugin and search here GTM WP4. Add new plugin, click and search here GTMWP and install this plugin and activate this plugin and go to this plugin setting and write here this tag in plugin. Now all okay and click here save changes. Now I will fully set up on Google Tag Manager on your website WordPress. Now visit site and check this is properly working. This plugin you did this extension you Install on your Chrome and click here and reload this page. And finally this page is working. Please sometimes this error is some reasonable. Yes, this tag already is working. GTM WPP. Please GTM WP W3P. Also on this and click here and also this icon on here and save changes click it. Now this tag working in properly.